Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style once again, the place, the YouTube channel, for us to explore the most captivating trends in home decor. So today is going to be very special. We're diving into the enchanting world of Royalcore. It's a style that combines opulence, elegance, and just a little bit of whimsy in there. Now, if you're ready to transform your living space into a palace fit for royalty, you are in for a treat because that is what we are doing today. We're going to deep dive into the essence of Royalcore and discover how you can incorporate it into your home. So let's get started. So first things first, what exactly is Royalcore? I hear so many people asking this. Well, it's a decor style that draws inspiration from the aesthetics of royal palaces and regal interiors. So go ahead and imagine grand chandeliers, really ornate furniture, and rich, delicious textiles. But Royalcore isn't just about replicating the past. It's also about infusing modern elements and touches in there. So let's get into the core features of this style. Now, let me also say that Royalcore is definitely not a new style. However, it is really widely trending right now, just basically due to social media. It's a social media aesthetic that really seeks to fill the void that I believe the show is called, is it Bridgerton? I can't remember what it's called. I actually haven't seen it yet. However, I just remember how people were obsessed with the room decors and the styles of the room. And this is where this trend being so popular is stemming from. Now, you already know that royal style has been around for probably as long as the monarchy, honestly, but TikTok's Generation Z is really updating it for the feed. Royalcore content has been viewed an amazing 180 million times on TikTok. If you want to see some beautiful rooms and even fashion, go ahead and just search Royalcore on TikTok. You are just going to travel down a rabbit hole. When it comes to embracing the Royalcore home decor style, the color palette plays a pivotal role in transforming your living space into a regal haven for you. Royalcore exudes opulence, and to really just take hold of its essence and what it's about, opt for a palette that features deep, jewel-toned hues like sapphire blues and emerald greens and ruby reds and that deep, lush purple. These rich colors create a sense of timeless beauty and grandeur, reminiscent of the interiors of palaces and really regal estates. Now you can complement these jewel tones with opulent neutrals like rich creams and deep golds. That's going to not only add a touch of sophistication, but it's also going to neutralize your room a bit so it's not just like one huge room full of jewel tones there. Adjusting your color palette accordingly is one of the key tips to achieving the really captivating allure of Royalcore. Okay, so now we have your color palette down. The next item to add into your room, if you're going for the Royalcore home decor style, would be ornate furniture. So think about furniture that you would see in a 1700s or 1800s palace or really elegant home. So you're going to look for furniture that's a little bit on the extravagant side. You're going to look for intricate details, really exquisite craftsmanship, timeless designs. You're going to look for coffee tables that are not sleek like in a contemporary style, but one that really tells a story. It looks luxurious. By incorporating some of the ornate furniture into your home, you're going to really fill and infuse your home with this sense of luxury, which is going to create an atmosphere where every day and every moment that you spend in that room really feels like a royal affair. Now, you don't have to blow your budget on this style. I know these pieces look very expensive, but shockingly, some of this you can DIY yourself. If you search YouTube, if you search Pinterest, even Instagram and TikTok, you can search, for instance, a DIY gilded mirror or DIY luxurious pillows, and different creators will take you step by step how to create these items for your home on such a budget. I looked up a couple of videos on mirrors, and some of these mirrors you can make for maybe $20 or $30, and they compare with mirrors that are $600 and $700. There's always things to spend money on, but then there's also items that we can save a bit just by DIYing it ourselves. So, some last minute tips to really transform your home. If you are trying to put the style in your bedroom, a nice 4-poster bed always looks great with this style. Also, velvet is the perfect fabric to really achieve this look, especially in the color palette that we spoke on before. Persian style rugs look great. Gilded wooden furniture looks great. Any furniture that has the clawfoot embellishment on it, it's going to look perfect for this style. Venetian mirrors, ornate headboards, and of course chandeliers and candle holders. And if you are needing more information or inspiration on this style, definitely check out Queen Charlotte or Bridgerton, both on Netflix, as the set of the homes definitely encompass this style. Will give you a lot of inspiration, what you want to bring into your home. And there you have it, the magnificent world of Royalcore. Whether you want to transform your entire home or just add a touch of regal charm to a room or two, this style offers endless possibilities for creativity. Remember, the most important thing is to make your space your own, a place that you can feel like royalty every day. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.